Ciao Tesla people. So I just got a notification that is a software update. It's the 2026.2.6 and it's the one where there is Grok. So finally Grok comes to Europe and to Italy, of course. So it's doing the download right now. I'm doing the download via the mobile phone, sharing my 5G data. So let's go to the release notes. In the meantime, that is downloading. Then we'll do the installation. Oh, finally, 5.4 megabits per second. Okay, let's do the release notes. So basically, Grok with navigation commands. Okay, so this release of Grok will have, is in beta, will have you will have an interaction with Grok, but you won't be able to interact with the car. So it's different from the commands that the voice commands that you can invoke on a car, which will be present too. So you will be able to use the voice commands to to turn on the wipers and that kind of stuff. But with Grok, you would be able to talk like talking to someone, and will be able to ask anything, and also ask for navigation. So if you need to search for a supercharger, the closest one, you would ask, hey, take me to the nearest supercharger. Okay. What I'm curious about is that if it's bilingual. Of course, Grok on a computer, it works with different languages, but here I am not sure how it's set up. If it's set up to understand the settings of the car, like the language, for example, and the units, for example, Celsius or Fahrenheit, that kind of stuff, or it will understand if you speak different languages. So I will test that. For example, I have everything in English. The UI is in English. I have the units in Celsius, but the navigation I have in Italian, because the English version, it will screw up the names, so it was very annoying, which doesn't make any sense in 2026. But anyway, so let's check out what it says. You can now talk to Grok, an intelligent assistant built with the X AI. You can choose Grok voice personality, ranging from storyteller to unhinged. Grok can add and edit navigation destinations, becoming your personal guide. You can ask Grok to navigate to the best Thai restaurant near you, find a supercharger within walking distance, or a coffee shop, or even plan a romantic sightseeing tour. Requires premium connectivity or Wi-Fi connection, so you can share, for example, your Wi-Fi on the phone. Conversations are anonymous to Tesla and not associated with your vehicle. To launch Grok, go to the app launcher. So you will have an icon here, I presume. Grok, or long press the voice button. So this button here, the voice, if I press long enough, it will start Grok. If I press the wheel once, it will start the voice commands, okay? Press the voice button or your steering wheel after, or on your steering wheel after you have logged into Grok. This one I need to figure out what does it mean. You will log in with your Tesla account. I'm not sure. Set Grok personality to assistant to use navigation commands. Note, Grok is currently in early beta and does not support voice commands for car controls other than navigation. Existing voice commands remain unchanged. Okay, so that's how I said it. Voice commands stays. Grok is not integrated with the car yet, but you can use it for navigation and all that kind of stuff. Search for things online and all that kind of stuff. So let's go back to the. So it's downloading. Let me check my phone at what percentage is downloading. Okay. I'm at 33%. It should be much more than that. That's the line. Data warning. Okay, now it's almost 3 gigabyte of data. Okay, interesting. So let's wait that is doing the download. So I'll see you in a bit as the download is done, and we'll start the installation, and then we go through the Grok app and integration. Okay, so I'll see you in few seconds. Okay, the download is done. So let's start the installation. Software update, 3 minutes. Let's install it. And then to skip 2 minutes of wait, just tap here and you should start. That's it. So let's see how long it will take. Now it's 2:06. Most likely 20-30 minutes, something like that. So I can do something else. And I'll see you in a bit when I'm done the installation, okay? So I'll see you in 2 seconds. So installation is done. Here's the release notes. We already went through that. So here there's a blue dot. That means there is a new app or feature. So we'll go there. And here is Grok. So if we start Grok, share precision location. Yes, okay. And here is, let's go through the interface, okay? So there are different voices. Ara, with up a bit female. Rex, claim male. Eva, shooting, female, and Sal, smooth male. Okay, so we'll keep Ara. And then here there is the assistant, language tutor, therapist. Basically, there are various information. Grok, let's do the Grok settings. There is enable NSFW, and then kids modes and share precise location. Okay, if you enable this, you get into a settings where there is adult content and that kind of stuff. So you don't want to do that. Kids modes, of course, is for kids. Very good. Okay, now let's do the sign in. Let's see what's going on. We'll tap the mobile app notification to log in. Okay, let's go to checking. My guess is that you need the Grok application.
Sono qui con te, pronta ad aiutarti con qualsiasi cosa.
Okay. We'll do there is to scan the scan QR code with your device and log into your Grok account. So you need to create a Grok account, okay? Most likely is to remember all that stuff, but you don't have to. I think at least for now. So let's go through what's going on, okay? So let's go back to the app. We'll launch Grok. Ciao Ara.
Ciao, buon pranzo anche a te. Come va oggi?
Bene. I would like to know if you speak English and Italian at the same time.
Sì, parlo sia inglese che italiano, contemporaneamente. Mescolo le lingue senza problemi se serve. Do you need help?
Fantastic. So can you give me the direction to the closest supercharger in Florence?
Il supercharger Tesla più vicino è a Via Tevere 21 Ausman Noro, a circa 7 km da qui. Vuoi che imposti la navigazione?
No. Can you answer in English if I speak English, and can you answer in Italian if I speak Italian?
Sure, I'll answer in English when you speak English, and in Italian when you speak Italian, just like that.
Ottimo. Mi dici qualcosa di Firenze?
Firenze è la culla del Rinascimento, con tesori come il Duomo, gli Uffizi e il Ponte Vecchio. È una città magica, piena di storia e arte ovunque.
Ti sei dimenticata del Davide di Michelangelo?
Hai ragione, come ho fatto? Il David di Michelangelo alla Galleria dell'Accademia è un capolavoro, assoluto, icona di Firenze. Grazie per il reminder.
You're welcome.
Prego. Anything else on your mind?
Okay, what the sign-in does?
What defining what?
The sign-in, if I sign in Grok, what does it help for?
Signing into Grok gives you personalized features, like saving conversation history, custom instructions, and access to premium stuff on XAI platforms. It keeps things tailored just for you.
Oh, fantastic.
Glad you think so. What else can I help with?
I'm good. That's it.
Perfetto. A presto allora.
Ciao.
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 Ciao ciao. A dopo.
So to enable, you press the microphone, long press, and it starts Grok. Press again, it stops, and then if you press the wheel once, should be like this. Okay, the commands. Okay, voice commands are one touch. Long press is Grok. Okay, very cool. So the thing is fantastic. It is bilingual. So I can speak in English or speak in Italian. So if I speak in English, she will answer in English. If I speak in Italian, she will speak back to me in Italian, which is fantastic. So other people that don't speak English can ask things in Italian. So it's great. It's fantastic. Now I need to just create an account so that it knows all my settings and remembers the conversations, which is I think it's great. So finally something super useful in the Tesla app. Recently was just features, but this is another app that I would like a lot. We'll see. I have to play with it. I'm going to Rome next in March again for the day. So I will actually not a day, couple of days, let's say. So I will use for sure Grok around Rome. Okay. So everything went well. The installation took forever, 40 minutes or something like that. It was more than 6 gigabytes of data. So it was a big update. Anyway, check out my Tesla referral. The link is in the description. You can get a discount if you buy a Tesla, also FSD. So use my referral, the link. And also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share, comment, and I'll see you next video. Ciao, Tesla people.